let's just imagine some blood that is being pumped away from the heart. So right when it gets pumped away from the heart, it'll be right over here. It gets pumped through the aorta, and you can see the aorta branches, so some blood can go up towards your head, and you would pass out and die. And then a lot of the blood goes down towards the rest of your body. And that indeed is the most oxygenated blood. And so it'll flow through your body, and these arteries will keep branching and branching into smaller vessels, all the way until they form these very small branches. And it's that place especially where they will lose a lot of their oxygen to the fluid and the cells around them. And then the blood is less oxygenated. And then even though deoxygenated blood is not blue, it often gets depicted as blue in a lot of diagrams. So I will do the same. And then these vessels start building into your veins. And these really small vessels that really bridge between arteries and veins, where a lot of the gas and nutrient exchange occurs, these are called capillaries. And so after going through the capillaries, the blood will then come back to the heart, and now it's coming towards the heart through the veins. It comes into the right atrium, then the right ventricle, then that gets pumped towards the lungs. And this is the exception to the first incorrect definition of arteries and veins that we looked at. This right over here is an artery. Even though it's carrying less oxygenated or deoxygenated blood, it's an artery because it's carrying blood away from the heart. But in this case, it's not carrying it to the rest of the body. It is carrying it to the lungs. That is why it is called the pulmonary artery, even though it's carrying less oxygenated blood. And so then it goes to the lungs, and then in the lungs, there's more gas exchange that occurs. The blood gets oxygenated, and then it comes back to the heart. And so it comes back to the heart in these vessels right over here. And that even though these are carrying highly oxygenated blood, these are considered veins because they're carrying blood towards the heart. These are pulmonary veins. And then the cycle starts again. The pulmonary veins bring that oxygenated blood into the left atrium and the left ventricle, and then that pumps it to the rest of the body through the aorta for your systemic circulation. You have your pulmonary circulation, which circulates the blood to, through, and from the lungs, and you have your systemic circulation, which takes the blood to and from the rest.
This is a really good review of the circulation in the heart of how blood goes around, so make sure to review that for quizzes.